All right, good morning, everybody. We are going to be working on lesson 11 today. We are working on module 1, 4th grade, and we are going to be working with adding today. We're going to be adding large digits, large numbers, using the place value chart to help us. We're going to be making dots today to represent that addition, and we're going to bundle. So we've done this before, these terms, and we're going to use that place value chart to really help us add. So let's go straight into the problem. We're on page 82. We're on page 82, number 2. Okay. So we're going to draw a tape diagram to represent each problem, and then we're going to use the place value chart to help us solve. All right. So let's get into the first bit here. So in September, Liberty Elementary School collected 32,537 cans for fundraisers. All right. So let's make a tape diagram. So this is September. And in September, they collected 32,537 cans. Perfect. So now our next piece of information is October. So in October, they collected 207,492 cans. So October was much larger. We're going to make a much larger tape diagram. And October, and boom, and in here, they received a lot more cans. Okay. So how many cans were collected during September and October? Okay, so they want us to find the sum. They want us to add. They want us to add these two amounts. So what we're going to do is I am going to place them in standard algorithm, but then we're going to use dots to represent it and bundle. Okay, so I'm going to show you both. So let's do, I'm always going to place the larger number on top when we add. And then I'm going to let's make this a brighter color so that you can see it. Let's make it blue. Okay. It's not too bright. Let me go one shade darker. Perfect. Plus 32,537. Perfect. All right. Let's make the dots to represent each one here. So I'm going to represent 207,492. So we got 2 ones. We have 9 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 7 in the thousands, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 0 in the 10,000s. We got 200,000s. Perfect. Cool. All right, and now I'm going to represent 32,537 as blue dots. So we have 7 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 3 dots. So 1, 2, and 3. We have 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 dots. 1, 2. And we have 3 dots in the 10,000s. Okay. So now let's add each one in their collective place values. Okay. So I'm going to make a little bar here. So boom, so that we can add. Okay. I'm going to delete this little blue dot. I'm going to add it right here. Cool. All right. So let's start with the ones place. Let's start with the ones place. I'm going to make this black ink. 2 plus 7 is 9. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 dots. Boom. And I'm going to make 9 right here. Okay. 2 plus 7 is 9. All right, let's go to the tens place value. Tens place value. Let's count the dots. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, Okay, we can bundle this group here. All right, we can bundle that, and we can move it over to the tens section. So I'm going to make a dot. Boom. Cool. So that leaves us with only 2 dots left. Boom, 2 dots. So 9 plus 3, I'm going to do 2 dots, and I'm going to bundle 1 over. Do you see how I did that in the standard algorithm? Now, let's go to the hundreds. Let's count the hundreds. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, we have 10 here. Perfect. So I'm going to take this group of 10 dots, and I'm going to bundle it and bring it on over. Boom. Same thing here. So 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is 10, and bundle. Perfect. I got 0 dots here. Excellent. I am then going to add these dots in the thousands place. So we're on the hundreds, now we're on the thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got to bundle again. All right. So I'm going to bundle one more time. That leaves me with 0. Bring the dot over, and boom. So 0 and bundle. All right, now I'm on the 10,000s. I have 4 dots. Excellent. I have 4 dots. And my last but not least, my 100,000s, I have 2 dots. And I'll have 2 dots. So 1, 2, 3, bang. 1, 2, 3, bang. Perfect. All right. That is how we add, and that's how we use our dots to represent bundling. And I did it on standard algorithm too to show you how to bundle accurately when we are adding. Okay, let's do the next one. So let's go on to number 3. All right, we're going to be focusing on question 3 on page 82. Remember, we're going to use the place value chart to help us solve and use our dots in order to add. So remember, we're still making tape diagrams just to represent the problem. Okay, so let's read. A baseball stadium sold some burgers. 2,806 were cheeseburgers. All right, so let's make a tape diagram that represents the cheeseburgers. That is huge ink. My apologies, children. Cheeseburgers. Cool. And that's a total of 2,806. Excellent. And then they had 1,679 burgers didn't have cheese. Okay. And so we had some that were just burgers. And those were 1,679. Perfect. Cool. So those are my two tape diagrams with the data. And how many burgers did they sell in all? Okay. In all. So it looks like they want us to find the sum, which is addition. Excellent. So let's line these two up. So 2,806 plus 1,679. Cool. So what we're going to do is we are going to represent 2,806 in red. So let's make those dots. Okay. So we have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 0 tens. We have 8. We have 800s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 2,000s. 1, 2. Perfect. Now let's represent 1,679 in dots. So we have 9. Oh man, that's a lot. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. We have 7 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 6 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we have 1,000. Cool. Awesome. All right. Now let's go through each one. Starting the ones place, add them and bundle if we need to. Okay? Not too bad. So I'm going to start adding in the ones place and the ones column here. All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I'm going to take this 10. And let me do that again. Not so heavy ink. I'm going to take this 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I'm going to bundle. Okay? Boom. All right, now that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves us with 5. That leaves us with 5 left over. Okay, and I'm going to put a 5 here, but don't forget to bundle, right? We had to bundle in that place value. So that's where we get that 1. So it represents 110 now. Okay? All right, now let's let's count the tens place value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we have 8 now. I don't have to bundle, so it's just 8. 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. Let's go in the hundreds. So now I'm counting the dots that represent the hundreds place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I have a group of 10, so I'm going to bundle that and bring it over. Put 1 dot. And then I have 4 left over. Perfect. And represent the bundle. Okay. And then let's count the thousands. So we have 4 there and a comma, and we have 4 here, and we're done. Boom. Okay. There is our answer. That was a pretty simple one for us to solve. Not too bad, using place value and using standard algorithm. Okay, let's go on to the third one. I'm going to want you to do this one on your own for sure when it comes to addition. All right, I'm going to set you up with this problem. We're going to do the reading together, but you're going to have to solve the math and you're going to add accurately and use the place value chart and bundle accurately as well, okay? So let's go over this problem quickly and you can start working. So on Saturday night, 23,748 people attended the concert. So let's make a tape diagram of that. So let's put Saturday. Very cool. 23,748. Cool. On Sunday, 7,578 people more. Okay, this is interesting. More people attended the concert than on Saturday. All right. How many people attended the concert on Sunday? So it looks like there's a little plus here. Kind of like a little plus for Sunday. All right. And they're saying, we don't know the total, but it was an increase of 7,570. More than Saturday. So they want to know, hey, what's the total amount on Sunday? So the total amount for Sunday. We're not quite sure because actually we had to combine. We have to combine these two. All right? So you are adding 23,748 plus 7,570. Okay? So you'll be adding those two. So use your place value chart, bundle, and add them, and then I will correct this for your assessment, for your exit ticket. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day, and I hope that this lesson was a fun one.